It's August 24, 2022. Here's one of them summer Utah microburst storms. Just comes out of nowhere. Crazy wind. Crazy wind. Just like you're on the ocean, like in the Baltic or North Sea. Of course, those places are much more powerful. Oh, there goes some lightning. Pretty cool. The rain's really coming in down that park. Yeah, it's just been like the hottest year and hottest summer in 148 years, according to KSL. And I think 2,500 degree days, and I think it's usually like 13. But Mesa Verde, if you study that in like the year 1100, the Four Corners region, in the 1170s, I think there was like a 70-year drought, and so it's really nothing new. They're just pushing the climate change agenda. There's definitely some changes, but whether it's all due to cars or what, it's just cyclical weather patterns. But who knows? Oh, maybe that was it. Come and gone. Wimp storms. Yeah, that may be it. Oh, if you look way in the mountains there, you can see there's some big clouds, big storms. I wonder if this will work. Yeah. LG K51 phone, not bad. Well, good luck, gang. We'll catch you on the next YouTube. We need like 6 months of rain every day, because it's that bad. The state's in a drought, so I didn't water my lawn. Alright, man. Next YouTube. See you next time.